So hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Hope you are all doing great. Today I'm back with a new tutorial. As you can see, we're gonna do a laundry basket. I have done this few days ago and then I wanted to share it with you. It's very easy and very pretty, as you can see. Very easy to make with the handles on the side. So the written pattern will be in the description box. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you a miniature basket of this, but I'm gonna explain the real sizes of this one as well. So if you like or you want to do this basket, just stay tuned and see the rest of the tutorial. Don't forget to check the description box for all the details concerning this basket. So for this basket I have used 2 strands of yarn. I had 2 balls already, and with 2 strands I started my project this way, and I have used 5mm crochet hook. So this yarn is loops and thread, soft and shiny, and it's a very soft yarn. In the label it has to use 5.5mm hook, but I used a slightly smaller one and then 2 strands as I said. And so I'm gonna show you how I did this, but not with the actual sizes. I'm gonna do a miniature or a sample basket so you can see how you will progress. And then, as I said, you'll find the written pattern for this one in the description box in my blog. So before we start, what I did, I started with a normal circle, chain 4, and then I did the work for the circle, like two half double crochet in each stitch. And then I did a total of 13 rows, and till the 13th row I started working one single half double crochet in every stitch. I'll explain more while working. So here I'm gonna make a magic loop, and I'm gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then join to form a circle. Now I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2, and I'm gonna do 10 half double crochet in the circle. Yarn over, insert my hook into the circle over here, pull through and pull through all. That's a half double crochet, first one. Again, yarn over and pull through all, second half double crochet, three, four, now I'm gonna join in the beginning of my row with a slip stitch over here. That's the top of the chain 2. Slip stitch. This is my first row completed. I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2, and then I'm gonna do 2 half double crochet in every stitch around. So this is my first one. I'm gonna do 2 half double crochet, 1, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through, and 2 double crochet. Again, I'll put in the description box on how to do a circle for beginners if you're new to making circles. Second one, second stitch, 2 half double crochet, and the same all the way around. And this is my last stitch where I'll do 2 half double crochet, and I should end up with 20 half double crochet in my second round, and then join as usual. So the chain 2 is an invisible chain, is not counted as a stitch. So this is my circle so far flat, so I need to keep it flat till I reach the width I want of my basket. So now what's gonna change, I'm gonna chain 2, and instead of making 2 half double crochet in every stitch, I'm gonna do 2 half double in the first, 1 half double in the second, 2 half double in the next, 1 half. I'm gonna alternate 2 1 2 1 2 1. So 2 here in this stitch, 1 and 2. In the next one only 1 half. In the next one 2 half double crochet, and I'll continue that way till the end of my round. Okay, one tip to recognize that your work is right. See, we started with 2 half double crochet over here, so the end of my circle should be 1 half double crochet only, not 2. So now my last stitch is 1 half double crochet, and then I join to close the circle. Okay, this is my 1 2 3 third round completed. Now fourth round, chain 2, again 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, now 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, so 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 until the end of my round again. So the next stitch is 1 half double crochet, and the next stitch is another 1 half double crochet. The next stitch again is 2 half double crochet. Two, one, one, two, one, next one, and 2. I'm gonna continue and come back at the end to show you what's the next step. So now I'm at the end of my round again, and then I'm gonna finish with 1 half double crochet in the last 2 stitches before I join again. So again, I'll join over here, okay, and this is my flat circle. So as I have said, I'm doing a miniature of the laundry basket. This is basket purpose is different. For this, I'm gonna start working the next rows half double crochet in each stitch only, so I form the basket. For the actual laundry basket, I have done, like I said, 13 rows, rounds of the circle to keep it flat, and then after the 13th, the 14th round, I started making 1 half double crochet in every stitch. I have done 1 half double crochet in every stitch around for 24 rows to form the basket, and then I started shaping the handles. So I'm gonna do the constructing or building the basket, and then I'll come back and show you how to shape the handles. So again, I'm gonna chain 2, one half double crochet in every stitch. As we said, we have worked in spiral, and I've done from 14 to 24 rows total, 14 to 24 rows, all 1 half double crochet in each stitch. And then now from my last point or the stitch marker, I'm gonna chain 15. I'm making a chain for the handles, and then I'm joining on the 15th row from the where I started. So chain 15 and then join it with a half double crochet in the 15th stitch, and then continue half double crochet and then continue half double crochet until the 44th stitch. So from the last stitch you joined, you count 44 stitches, and then you do a chain again of 15, which again you will join to the 15th stitch, and then you have your second handle, and again you will do half double crochet until you reach the next handle. So once you are back to the next handle, what you do is half double crochet, 15 half double crochet on top of the chain to construct it or to form it, and then you continue around with half double crochet. You do the same to the next handle, and you do total of 2 rows until your project is complete. Now to final shape the basket, half double crochet in each stitch until the end, and then you fasten off. That's it. I hope the explanation was clear. I've also included the written pattern in the description box and all the information you need. Please do check it. And then if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.